In this video, I will show you how to remove time from date and time in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some date and time values in this column. Now I want to remove the time from these date and time timestamps. But before we do that, let's first understand how date and time are handled in Excel. Excel stores dates as serial numbers and starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. That means if you have a cell containing the number 1 and if you format it as a date, you will get the date 1st January 1900. Similarly, the number 2 will become the date 2nd January 1900 and so on. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day and it is represented by a decimal value of 1, which is between 0 and 0.9999. That means if you have a 0 in a cell and if you format it as a time, you will get the time as 12 am. Similarly, the number 0.5 will become the time 12 pm and so on. Since Excel stores date and time as numbers, if we change the format of the cell to general, we can see the serial number of the date. For example, the first date value 1st January 2024 4 pm is represented by the serial number 45,292.66667. Here the integer part 45,292 represents the date 1st January 2024 and the decimal part 66,667 represents the time 4 pm. To remove the time from the date and time, we just need to remove the decimal part from the number. I will use the ExcelInt function to remove the decimal part from the date serial number. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type int followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date and time value. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have removed the time from date and time values. This formula completely removes the time from the date and time value. If you just want to hide time for display purposes, we can format the cell to display only the date. To do that, select all these cells and then press the Ctrl and 1 key on the keyboard to open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now select the custom option from the left side. Delete everything from the type text box and then type dd-mmm-yy as the format. You can type any format you want instead of this format. Also, make sure to check the format preview area. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, now only date values are displayed instead of the full date and time. The time value is still there, but our custom date format hides the time part. We can verify this by selecting any cell and looking at the formula bar. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.